Well, hello, good morning, YouTube. Today we are going to unbox our new one card. It is issued by the Federal Bank of India. Not very sure about what Federal Bank is exactly, but it is some sort of like a payment gateway, like exactly like Visa and MasterCard. So let's just unbox it. Okay, so here we have one card, credit card terms and conditions. So there is a entire booklet about this that we are having all the conditions, everything. Read this document, man. The great thing about this card, it is actually a metal card and not a very plastic card. Now, it looks only fancy, but yeah, plastic cards get scratched out easily, and people are now moved to uh, metal and titanium. Apple has a titanium card. I don't know when Apple will be available their credit card in India, but meantime, we have this one card. So all ideas and suggestions welcome get on in card. I got a great limit because I have a like a very strong CIBIL score. I just simply applied it from the application. As of many people want to know that if you convert any transaction into EMIs, it does not have that three EMI thing. Like that means even if you converted for any transactions for 3 months, you will have 1.33% of the interest charged. So use it carefully. Do not use it in or any other card in the extent that you become that you go inside a debt trap. Okay, so okay, tap and pay is also there. Okay, not a problem. So here is my card. Okay, this is heavy. This card is literal heavy. I can feel it. It is not yet out, but I can feel it. It's a Visa signature card. Oh, it's beautiful. It is heavy. It is beautiful. It's amazing, man. I have my name over it. Same my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button, like this video. Let me know in the comments what do you want to see more. I have more upcoming videos, not only on cards, not only on financial decisions, but also daily vlogging and other stuff. So let's see in the backside. Backside, we simply gonna have the card number and some details about it. So I'm gonna hide the card number, but it is exactly like how another regular credit cards used to look like. So yeah, it's pretty much it. That's pretty much it has. It's very rock sturdy, very tough, very tough. Like it's not even bending. I'm applying a quite a good pressure, but it is not bending. It's a good if you want a single card to handle all your transactions. If you want a single card to handle all your transactions, then this is a good card. Okay, thank you so much.